Hello everyone, I'm Philip from ProfileTree, and today I'll be showing you how to create your own logo to later on add to your own website. So the first thing you need to do is go to your web browser and type in your search bar Squarespace Logo Maker, and then just press enter and select this one right here, and this website should show up. It's where we will create our logo. So I will create a massage company, so Soft Tissue should be a nice name for a massage company. And just press this arrow right here, and this will bring up the editor where you can search for any words. So I'll just search for massage, and right here on the left side you can find many symbols that relate to the words that you just type in. So I have a lot of massage symbols, but I don't really like any of these symbols, so I'll just type in here hands and just press enter. So I think one of these symbols should do for our logo. So I think this one, yeah. So right now this is the editor. Right here you can change the font of your text, add it to any font you like, or the one that relates the most to your logo type. So in this side you have bold and regular, and here you have italic and regular. Right here you have the color editor, and this will change the color of your text right here. This is a color code, so every color has a different code. So save these codes for every color you use, because we will be needing them later. This right here is the color editor for your symbol or shape, and remember to save this color code so we can use it later on. So right now all you have to do is edit the logo the way you like. Once you have finished editing your logo, this is how it will look like in the final version. You can preview it, how it will look like in a t-shirt or in a gift card that you can offer to your clients. You can also preview how it will look like in a background of a website or anything else. So now you'll want to save your logo, so you click in this button down here, Save Logo. For now I will download the low resolution version because it's free, but it is watermarked and for non-commercial use only, so you can only use it for some sort of previews. There's always the option to download the high resolution version, but it will cost you. So for now we will stick with the low resolution version because it's free. So you click this button and the download will show up right here down below. And you don't have to fill this information, but if you want to receive an email with a link to edit your logo later on, all you have to do is enter your name and email and click send, and that's it. The link was sent to your inbox. So here is our logo. We can preview it. Looks real nice. It's in PNG format, and that's it. The logo is in your download folder. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.